So, have you got everything ready? Let's hope so. I have the clothing essentials for the newborn. I suppose you went to the hospital where you're going to have the baby to get some directions, right? Yes, they told me what I should buy. Fantastic. So they explained how clothing essentials for the newborn include at least 4 bodysuits, 4 rompers, 4 pairs of socks, maybe even a little hat and a light blanket. They told you how the romper suits should have large and comfortable openings. Excellent! This is good news. Because you know that babies are constantly changing in their first months, so the clothing should be particularly practical. Yes, they also told me to take out the tags inside the clothing so that they don't irritate the baby's skin. Of course, because your baby's skin is very delicate, especially during the first days of life. It is a good idea to use natural materials, like cotton fibre, which is a fibre particularly suitable for infants. Even in winter, you can use wool and cotton, placing the cotton layer next to the baby's skin. But won't he get cold? Absolutely not. Even though the infant's temperature control is still imperfect during its first days or months, you should dress your child in layers so you can adjust his clothing according to temperature changes. When you're at home and it's hot, he can go barefoot or else wear cotton socks. You don't have to worry about shoes until the baby starts crawling. Of course, if you really want to have them all ready, they are useful for covering the baby's feet when you take him out for walks. They're so cute, aren't they? Thanks so much. Not at all.